So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone Touch ID not working. Okay, as you can see right now this is iPhone 8 and right now it's Touch ID not working. So in this video I will show you how you can solve that with a simple 2 to 3 method. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Okay, enter your iPhone passcode. Okay, now you need to enable your iPhone Touch ID. You can see it's asking for a Touch ID. Okay, okay, you can see it's asking for a adjust Touch ID grip. Okay, so if that method appears on your iPhone and your iPhone Touch ID not working, then clean your finger and try it again. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. After forced to restart your iPhone, you can easily fix your iPhone issue. If that method also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is check your iPhone software update. Make sure you don't have any pending software update in your iPhone. In my case, you can see right now software update is available. Just update your iPhone and after you need to try it again. Okay, make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone. If you have any hardware issue in your iPhone, just contact the nearest Apple store, they will fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.